how can I make breakfast with this? I kind of not really having an appetite, but I have to eat. So I am trying to make something that my stomach will accept. So I have some fish sticks, I have Irish potato, I have some lettuce here, tomato, and I have a frankfurter or a sausage there. So I'm going to do my best to make something. Oh, you're good to remove these here. And put fish sticks, and I am going to use the air fryer. Let me use the air fryer. Make whatever I'm doing this morning. So I am going to remove the fish sticks and put them in the air fryer. And I am also going to cut the sausage and put in the air fryer. This is in the air fryer also. I'm gonna cut this. Here I'm just gonna slice these. Not too thick and not too thin. The skin is still on it. And these are local Irish potato. So put some olive oil on and a pinch of salt. And even without salt, also I will use a little salt. I use the pink salt, which is not as salty as the toss it. Just gonna give it a nice toss. So I'm going to put it on the air fryer. In the air fryer, I already have the sausage and the fish sticks. So this is my breakfast. This is what I'm having this morning. Let me show you my air fryer. Potatoes, oh my goodness, they're hot. How nice and dry these are.